Hello, welcome back. So in this video I'll be talking on isometric drawing, and this will also lead us to be working on the project for this course. So the project for this course is an isometric drawing, of which I have it here. So I'll be showing us how to have a replica of this. So I'll come to my drawing tool, which I've opened, and the first thing I'm going to do is to change my working space to isometric plane. So to do that, I'll hit my keyboard shortcut of DS, which is draft setting, and I'll hit enter. So under my snap and grid, on the snap type, I'm going to pick isometric snap. Now click OK. So let's notice what will happen on this interface. So I'll click, you can see it has changed its orientation, and my crosshair as well has changed. And to have more accurate drawing, I would love to make sure that my auto is always on. Then if I should look at it very well, I have what is called my isometric drafting here. So the various type of orientation there. I have my rights, I have isoplane right, I have isoplane left, and I have isoplane top. So if I should change to the top, you can see. If I should change to right, you can see. So the shortcut to achieve this is F5. So I always press my function key of F5 to always change my orientation, because whenever your auto is on, you need to always change your orientation, because the auto will be restricting you on some dimension. So I'll pick my line. Now trying to draw this object, right? So let us analyze this object, this drawing. So looking at this drawing, I have this part from here to here to be 4. Then I have, so if this part is 4, this side is 2.5. So 4 minus 2.5 will give us the difference on this side. So 4 minus 2.5 will give us 1.5. So we have 1.5 left. So 1.5 divided by 2, that is 0.75. So this side will be 0.75. Then we have from here to here to be 5, and from here to here to be 3. So 5 minus 3 will give us 2. Then 2 divided by 2 will give us 1. 2 into the place. So meaning from here to here is 1. From here to here is 1. Here to here is 1. Here to here is 1. Then we have here to be 3. And we have the radius of this place to be 1. So if the radius of this place is 1, then the diameter will be 2. So that's 3 minus 2. That will give us 1. So 1 in 2 places, that is 0.5. So this part will be 0.5. So now let's work on this. Now that we know our dimension, so I'm going to pick any point, specify my point. So I'm going that way. So I know that that is 2.5, right? So we'll assume that this is in millimeter. So to go to our unit, I'll hit the shortcut of UN, enter. So here I'm going to leave it at decimal. Then my precision, I'll just pick 0.00. So then my unit, I'm going to pick millimeter. Now it's okay. So we are assuming these are in millimeter. Then pick my line. So this way maybe 2.5, right? Then coming this way will be what? It will be 1. Then going this way will be 0.75, and coming this way will be 0.5, right? So if I'm to move like this down, this will be 4, right? Then 0.5, so this is 0.75, and this will be what? That will give us 1, right? So I have it this way. So I want to change my orientation. I'll use my function key F5 to change my orientation, to bring down. So now vertically, look at it, it's 2.5. So I'm going to have 2.5, and now I want to change my orientation. Function key, change it. So I have 5 on this part. Okay, and I don't want to go up by 2.5. Then I would like to change my okay, let me come this way. So that would be 1. Then let me change my orientation. And this is 0.75. Then 0.5. Then I have this to be 4. And 0.5. 0.75. 1. And this will be 2.5. Yes, 2.5. Hit the escape key, go back to my line command, pick this endpoint, and change my rotation to 2.5, and this will be 2.5 as well. Right. So I'm done with this. So I'll do something that will make my works easy here. Now in isometric, we don't make use of circle because circle won't give you a perfect. If I'm to draw circle here, this place, you can see it's not fitting well. So what we use is we use the iso circle. So and to do that, you have to select your axis end ellipse. So if I select that, I have option. Looking at the command line, I have option to pick iso circle. So that is how to go about it. Or I just type my command ellipse, then select iso circle, I for iso circle. Then I for iso circle. Right. Let me show you that's well. Then I for iso circle, right? Then I can draw. So yeah, I need to know that the radius of this place is 3/4. 3/4. So we can actually calculate that. That's 3 divided by 4 would give us 0.75. Or I can still always input it that way. Just say 3 divided by 4 eta. So it will give me that, right? Then this part, I would love to just use my extend this to that side. Then I will join this to this using my join command, join. So I have this as 1. The reason why I did that, so that I can have a main point here. So I'm going to draw another ellipse here. So the first ellipse diameter is 3, the second ellipse diameter will be 2, because the radius here is 1. So I'm going to draw my ellipse and iso circle. I'm going to pick the make point. So I've changed my orientation. So first one is 3, so I have to change my diameter, so I'll pick diameter, so D for diameter, then I'll enter 3. So I have this. Back to the function, I for isocircle, I'll pick I'll specify the center, then this time around I want my diameter to be 2. So I have this. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to copy these 2 isocircle. I'm going to copy. Don't forget the shortcut for copy is CO, or make use of it here, copy. Then I'll pick this place to be my base point. Then I'll want to copy it that way. I'll change my orientation so I can copy it. So I'll be copying my distance of 4. So that I'll enter 4. So I have it here as well. Right. So right now I can delete this. Okay, if I should delete that, so I'll just trim. So shortcut for trim, TR, or come down here, pick the trim. So I will trim. I'll trim out unwanted parts. So I'm done trimming. Then this part, I'm going to draw a line there. So I'm going to trim off this part. Here we are. We have our perfect shape, right? So you can give it a try as well, knowing that this is the project. The project in this course is to work on an isometric drawing, so you can as well pick up any isometric drawing and work on it, and you can as well pick this up as well and work on it. So in the next video we'll be talking about how to dimension this drawing, how to dimension it, and also arch this drawing. So in arching this drawing, the reason why we'll be putting arch in some place, because it will serve as a section for the drawing, because this is like a sectional drawing. So in the next video we'll be doing justice on that. So you can look out for various isometric drawing and work on it. Thank you for watching.